You're about to embark on an exciting journey that's going to upgrade your skills for the future and the next evolution of digital fashion and garment creation. And I'm going to teach you from scratch, no experience necessary, how to use the Style3D Studio software. And this course is perfect for anyone who wants to become a confident user of Style3D Studio, whether that's a fashion student, a traditional pattern maker, an experienced designer as part of a team, or just an aspiring digital entrepreneur. Then this course is going to take you through the leading industry software that's been used across Asia for years and is set to become one of the global players in the fashion industry for 2024 and beyond. So what will you learn on the course? Well, go to the website and full details are on the Style3D MasterClass course details page. But essentially, I take you through step by step everything in Scratch, including downloading pre-made garments from the Style3D library, importing DXF files and fitting those, and every tool you need to create really unique, interesting shapes and patterns for your designs. I'm going to talk you through in detail how to sew everything together digitally and different techniques for draping and really advanced methods of draping complex garments. I'm going to go into detail about the resource library and all the free materials and assets you can get from there, how to get exact colours and render different kinds of fabrics from furs and so on. We'll look at fabric prints and customizing our own fabrics and customizing our own prints and even changing the colour of our accessories. We cover in detail how to add appliques and graphics to garments for logos and so on, and I'll show you how to do your own pattern drafting freehand within the software, creating some really unique shapes and garments. And we'll even make sure that they fit the avatar using fit maps to help us tweak existing patterns and designs to make sure that they're going to fit in real life if you were to print these out too. Throughout the course, we're going to touch on some advanced techniques, pro tips, and little hacks and information to get the best out of the software. We're going to look at buttons, zips, piping, puckering, top stitching, and I've even got a section on layering complex garments, one on top of the other. I'm going to show you how to add earrings and shades to your avatars to really style up your scenes. And of course, we've got a whole section on posing your avatars and even doing custom poses of the avatar. We cover how to create a 360 turntable look and how to do real complex animations with automated cameras that follow the avatar. I'm going to go into detail on lighting and different lighting effects for your renders, and then how to add different backgrounds to your scene and customize those, and even how to make use of props within the scene so that we can pull it all together into some really amazing stylized editorial looks and high resolution renders. We'll pull this together to a virtual fashion runway, and with a full stage and animation, you can get something like this. Everything is included in the course to create this exact runway, and I'm going to move on to then show you how to make this even more spacey and futuristic. Plus, for those that choose to do the assignment, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own online digital portfolio for free, which you can publish as a website that'll work on desktops and on mobile devices. And there's so much more packed into this course. There's over 10 hours of training to make sure you've got everything you need to pass the online assessment and the official Fashion3DX Certificate of Achievement for Style3D. Plus, as we're a certified Style3D training centre and this course is approved, you could also qualify for the official Style3D Intermediate Garment Modeler certification, giving you a great opportunity to study once and get a chance of 2 accreditations out of this course. The Fashion3DX Academy is one of the first certified Style3D training centres outside of Asia, and we're one of the leading digital fashion academies across the world, inspiring thousands of our fans and followers with new images and videos every week on our social media channels. And after this course, you could also produce these garments, 3D images and videos to a similar quality. And as part of this course, you get access to downloads and the online community support page, where you can share your work for feedback with like-minded students. Plus, you get your work personally reviewed by me and Kamal, the founders of Fashion3DX. We're here to support you all the way through the course. And as an additional bonus, every student of the Fashion3DX Academy Style3D Masterclass gets 6 months extended free trial of the Style3D Studio individual license software, which is plenty of time to go through this course, train, get qualified, and then try out your skills. And we can't wait to see what you produce. All right, take care, and we look forward to seeing all of your work.